Imagine you're standing on a road with numbers painted on the ground. Each step you take is a jump forward or backward. The road is called a number line. Hello everyone and welcome to a new video from Math in 2 minutes, where we cover all math. And today's video, number 6, is going to be about number line basics. So what is a number line? A number line is just a straight line with numbers written in order. So let me put 1 here, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and so on. Now if you notice, the numbers are in the order. Also, that the space or the step between each number and the next one is exactly the same size. And we notice that if you go to the left, we put the smaller numbers to the left and the bigger ones to the right. So the number line go from left to right. Now, let's answer these questions on this number line. Mark 5 on the number line. So this is 5. How can you mark it? You can just make an X. Question 2. What number is 2 jumps after 3? So first you have to go to 3, and let's imagine there is a panda on 3. So what number is 2 jumps after 3? You're gonna count from here. 1, 2. So we laid on the same number as question 1. So the answer is 5. And this is important because learning about this will help us to know how to subtract and add using the number line. Finally, question 3. What number is it if we go 2 jumps backwards from 6? So I'm gonna start from 6 this time. And since it says 2 jump backwards, I should go to the left. So 1, 2. So the number which is 2 jumps backward from 6 is 4. That's it for today's video. Stay tuned for more videos from Math in 2 minutes. See you next time. Pandabood.